Once upon a time in the bustling city of accountancy, there lived a young entrepreneur named Alex. Alex had a dream to open the most amazing cupcake shop in town. To make her dream a reality, she took out a large sum of money from the magical money bank. This loan was a liability, something Alex owed to the bank. It was a debt. Next, Alex needed ingredients for her delicious cupcakes. She bought a huge supply of flour, sugar, and sprinkles from the whimsical wholesaler, since Alex hadn't paid them yet. This created another liability, accounts payable or money she owed to the supplier. Alex also rented a charming storefront in the heart of the city. The rent was due at the end of each month, making the monthly rent payment another liability, an obligation to pay for the use of the storefront. Finally, Alex hired a team of talented bakers to help her create her masterpieces. Their salaries were due at the end of each week, making another liability, wages payable. You may be thinking, oh, liabilities sound so scary, like a big monster that's going to gobble up all of Alex's money. Well, yes, if Alex isn't careful, her liabilities could get out of control. But let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Alex quickly learned that liabilities are simply debts or obligations a business has to others. They represent what a business owes rather than what it owns. They are the opposite of assets. For example, the money Alex borrowed from the magical money bank is an asset to the bank but a liability too. Alex, liabilities can include money owed to suppliers, customers, employees, or even the government. Now let's look at how Alex managed her liabilities. When Alex started her cupcake business, she took out a loan from the magical money bank. This allowed her to buy equipment, pay for rent, and hire employees. However, having these liabilities meant that Alex had to earn enough money to pay them back. If she didn't, her business wouldn't be able to keep growing. Despite the challenges, Alex was determined to make her business a success. She baked delicious cupcakes, managed her expenses, and paid off her debts. By doing so, she turned her liabilities into happy memories. Alex's story teaches us that liabilities are a normal part of doing business. They're not necessarily bad. As long as they're managed responsibly, understanding liabilities is a key part of understanding their business's financial health. Just like Alex, you too can become an accounting superstar by understanding this key concept. So remember, liabilities may seem scary, but they don't have to be. With a little knowledge and a lot of responsibility, you can turn your debts into delightful memories, and with that, our story comes to an end. Oh, and by the way, this entire video was creatively created by Creativo Solutions using the power of AI. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.